Welcome to River Valley Chronicle. I'm your host, Elizabeth D'Orazio. We're here at the intriguing Main Street Museum on Bridge Street in White River Junction. And today I am joined by Scott Hausler of the Hartford, Vermont Parks and Recreation Commission. And he has some great news about their wonderful new facility that you're going to want to hear the details of in case you've been wondering. So Scott, we probably heard a lot, seen a lot. Tell us about the new facility that we can look forward to.
Sure. So the Maxfield Sports Complex is out on Route 5 between the Upper Valley Aquatic Center and the transfer station. So it is a 60-acre parcel of property that was donated to the town several years ago. And on this property is a tremendous amount of recreational opportunities. In the facility, we have 4 multi-purpose open field spaces for field type of sports. It's also home to a high school and baseball and softball regulation size baseball softball field. Also on the complex we have 4 Little League fields that surround the multi-purpose space, 4 tennis courts, 2 basketball courts. Also featured in the facility are 3 open air pavilions, and one of the pavilions that we have is designed to have a little catering kitchen type of setup in it. So for corporate functions, community meetings,
showers, weddings, retirement,
absolutely,
local place.
Absolutely. So it's a unbelievable asset for the town that provides a lot of passive recreation as well as organized type of sports.
Now, what made this new complex come about? Because you can hear this, it addresses a lot of topics, but what really got the project going?
Well, I think what really got the project going was the donation from Mr. Maxfield, and that was several years ago. But most recently, the town passed a bond to help complete the project. So that bond passed, and last spring and summer, the construction took place to finalize the project. So it's certainly a great gift from that family, but then also for the town voters for passing that in. It's unbelievable asset because not too many communities in this area and in New England in general have a facility like this. One
of the dangers of living in an area like this and working here is we tend to drive by things.
Right.
And we get in our 9-to-5 schedule and we never break out. What can you suggest to someone maybe to stop by and take a look at it?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, I think, you know, anytime, once the snow kind of melts, it'll be an opportunity. It's an unbelievable place. You could pull in, hop on a walking trail, and walk the perimeter of the space. You don't have to be a part of a sporting event. You don't have to know how to play tennis to use the space. It's just an unbelievable opportunity for people to get outdoors in one location and take part in a lot of activities.
What happens if we do want to get into something more organized to use those specific areas?
Yep, they would just want to contact the Parks and Recreation Department or look at our website, hartfordrec.com, for all the programs and activities that take place, not only in all the other parks, but also at Maxfield.
And it sounds like it's not just for sports, but also for personal events and things like that. You could book it for a function?
Yes, you sure can. The pavilions will be, you know, they have bathrooms, and then we also have a little catering kitchen in one of the spaces that you can have for a function. You can contact us for that as well. We do have a couple events that'll be taking out there taking place out there this summer. The Keo Strong 3-on-3 basketball tournament for middle school and high school age kids, and then we also are having a grand opening of the tennis courts. Our Court Tennis Club is going to be a part of that event to help teach people how to play tennis if they've never played tennis. If you want to learn and meet some people that are playing tennis in the area, you get to come out and take part in that event.
Sounds good. And it's all on the website?
It's all on the website.
Beautiful. So whether it's indoors or out, the Hartford Community Parks and Recreation Commission has a place for you, and the Maxfield Center is going to be the place you're going to want to check out.